Primetime news this evening, rain and ruins. Weather system causes flooding and destruction in several parishes.
Anguish, father and daughter buried alive, a frantic search for teen still missing.
And under pressure, NWA lists more infrastructural damage due to downpour. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. How are you being affected by recent rains?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.